At Cornerstone Family Ministries, we believe every child deserves to have hope for a brighter tomorrow. Back in 1892, segregation left many of Tampa's immigrant families without a school willing to educate their children. That was until Rosa Valdez and Eliza Wolf stepped in. Cornerstone Family Ministries was born, and over 120 years later, our mission has stayed the same: to make a lasting and positive impact in the lives of economically disadvantaged children and their families by nourishing bodies, developing minds, and fostering hope through Christ, one child at a time. Cornerstone Family Ministries believes that every child should have access to nutritious food. As a leading sponsor of the USDA Child Care Food Program through the Florida Department of Health, each year we sponsor nearly 160 privately owned child care centers located in Hillsborough, Pinellas, Polk, Pasco, and Manatee counties. Our sponsorship of these centers makes it possible for nearly 17,000 children to receive a free breakfast, lunch, and snack each school day. That's over 4.5 million meals per year. In addition, we provide monthly nutrition trainings, coaching, and monitoring so our partners can offer the highest level of care to every child served. When child care centers become a part of Cornerstone's Child Care Food Program sponsorship, they're part of our family and not just a participant in a government program. They benefit from donations, resources, and a relationship with a ministry that prays for them and helps them grow. We're always looking for new child care centers to join us so we can feed more children together. Many children don't know where the food they eat comes from, how it grows, or how it fuels their body. And many haven't tasted or had access to a variety of fresh fruits or vegetables. Our Cooking with Kids food experiences provides interactive lessons using produce from Cornerstone's community garden and brings it from the garden to classroom tables at our partner child care centers and schools throughout the Tampa Bay area. Interested in being part of the Cornerstone Community Garden Movement? We'd love to watch you grow. Cornerstone's Garden Movement is a nutrition education initiative that teaches children, families, and communities how food grows, where food comes from, and how food fuels our bodies. The Rosa Valdez Early Learning Center and Lab School is a nationally accredited child care center located in the inner city neighborhood known as Old West Tampa. We welcome children from birth to 5 years of age and provide a safe and enriching learning environment for every child to thrive. The Rosa Valdez Early Childhood Learning Center is open 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday through Friday, and is a Gold Seal School Readiness and VPK provider. Children and families have trusted Rosa to provide the best early childhood education for their children. At Cornerstone Family Ministries, we believe that every child deserves a chance for change. We'll host our annual Top Golf Child's Chance for Change tournament to raise scholarship funds, so we can continue to provide affordable childcare to economically disadvantaged children at our Rosa Valdez Early Learning Center and Lab School. Visit cornerstonefamilyministries.org to become a sponsor and learn more. Here at Cornerstone Family Ministries, we're dedicated to fostering hope through Christ. As part of the Care Packages for Kids program, our faith partners throughout the community kindly donate and package nutritious weekend care packages to distribute to the students at our partner centers. If you'd like to learn more about this program or find out how your church can make a donation, please ask for further information today. The true spirit of Cornerstone Family Ministries is found in the Christian service expressed by our volunteers, and we can never have too many volunteers. We need regular weekly volunteers at our Rosa Valdez Child Care Center for everything from helping in the kitchen or in a classroom. In addition, if you've always wanted to learn to garden, every second Saturday of the month and every Tuesday, we welcome budding gardeners and groups of all ages to assist with harvesting, planting, and distributing produce. We also have administrative and facilities maintenance volunteer opportunities. All of our volunteers make a huge difference to the lives of so many. If you have any spare time to lend a helping hand, please ask for further information today. We appreciate every minute of your time, while providing a career path for neighborhood women has been at the heart of our work. In 2015, The Rosa Valdez Early Learning Center reestablished its commitment to helping women earn and learn their way out of poverty by establishing itself as an early learning laboratory for adults seeking their degrees in early childhood education. Through Cornerstone sponsorship, early childhood education interns are able to access the State of Florida Teach Scholarship that pays for 80% of their tuition and books. Interns participating in the Rosa Valdez Lab School are assigned a mentor and have access to private funding to pay for testing and certifications. Each paid or unpaid intern also is about to meet their required practicum hours and build their resume by assisting in one of our nationally accredited classrooms. Some paid internships are available for students 18 years or older and include paid study time and discounted childcare. Florida is in the top 10 states in America for childhood food insecurity. That's why Cornerstone Family Ministries is one of the largest sponsors of the USDA Child Care Food Program in the state of Florida under the Florida Department of Health. Through our sponsorship last year, over 150 child care centers in Hillsborough, Pinellas, Polk, Pasco, and Manatee counties prepared or purchased and served nutritious breakfast, lunch, and snacks each school day on our behalf to nearly 15,000 children. Nearly 70% of those children lived at or below the poverty level. It's free for a child care center to join us if they qualify, and qualifying is easier than you might think. Centers under our sponsorship also have access to nutrition education programming, including our Cooking with Kids and garden programs. Sometimes it's hard to visualize numbers, so instead, picture the crowd at a sold-out concert or sporting event at Amalie Arena in Tampa, or the largest arena in your town. Now imagine every seat filled by a child, with some even standing in the aisles. That's how many children we impact at Cornerstone Family Ministries each year through services that nourish young bodies, develop young minds, and foster hope through Christ, one child at a time. We couldn't reach so many children and families without the help of every one of our sponsored centers throughout the Tampa Bay area, along with the staff, volunteers, congregations, and donors who engage in our work. Thank you for everything you do. Together, we're fostering hope through Christ, one child at a time.